With more than 6,000 city-owned trees in El Segundo, the Public Works Department wants to make sure each tree is taken care of properly, and this includes tree removal. El Segundo's Park Maintenance Supervisor Christopher Hentzen shares what goes into properly removing a tree in our city.
Tree removal is a necessary component of tree management, and we have developed specific criteria and guidelines for tree removals. First of all, we'll remove a tree that is completely dead. We also remove dying or diseased trees that are in decline that create a safety hazard. We also remove trees when there's a conflict with sewer lines, and we also remove trees for inappropriate species. Our motto is right tree, right place. With that said, every tree that is removed, we replace with a tree from the city-approved tree pallet. Upon request, the Parks Division will come out and review and assess your tree and answer any questions that you may have regarding the tree.
For more information on tree removal, visit elsegundorec.parks.org and look in the Parks and Facilities section.